This is my laser shaving machine, and this is how I use it to level bowling greens. I remove high areas of the green by cutting them away like a milling machine. It uses a laser level and milling cutter head to only remove the high areas and leaves a horizontal playing surface. The grass will then regrow from the existing root structure. The machine can be set to a maximum depth of 10 mm in the main areas of the green. If the edges are really thatchy, it can be set to a maximum depth of about 20 mm. The first step is to survey the green and identify the high areas. The high areas are brown, and this map shows the highest area is about 20 mm above the green surrounding it. The survey machine is then used to mark the highest point and all the areas which will be shaved. In this case, the cutter head was set 18 mm below the highest point. As the shaving machine travels across the green, the laser receiver keeps the cutter head at the same height by adjusting the position of the front wheel. When the machine stops cutting, it's wheeled back to the beginning. This continues until all the high areas have been removed. The last step is to use a scarifying rake to make the surface as flat as possible. The final surface finish is slightly bumpy, but there are no visible steps. A light top dress might be required to correct any surface imperfections. The edge of this green was playable 3 weeks after shaving. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions about the machine or if you'd like a quote.